How to get passive income. Passive income can be a fantastic strategy to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side business or just wanting to acquire a little extra money each month, especially while inflation rages across the economy. If you suddenly lose your job, decide to take time off work, or see inflation continue to erode your purchasing power, passive income can help you make more money when things are good and get you by in those situations. The ultimate goal of passive investors is to make money while they sleep. You might be able to do that if you find the greatest passive income sources. Here are a few of the most typical ways that investors can generate passive income. Dropshipping store. One of the most rewarding passive income sources is dropshipping. Dropshipping enables you to locate popular products on online stores like AliExpress to advertise to people all over the world. You can stock your online store with products from a variety of dropshipping markets, including as fashion, home decor, or beauty. Dropshipping's brilliance is that you may create your own company and set your own prices for the products. Dropshipping actually gives you the greatest control over your margins out of all the passive income suggestions on this list. Dropshipping means that your supplier takes care of all aspects of the order, including manufacturing, packing, and fulfillment. Additionally, this passive income business has a low cash risk due to the fact that you don't need to pay your provider until your consumers do. Selling digital products. Digital products are assets or media that customers can't physically touch. These comprise files that may be downloaded or streamed, including PDFs, templates, plugins, and Kindle novels. Digital products have significant profit margins, making them excellent sources of passive income. The asset just needs to be created once, and you can sell it frequently through your web business. There is no need for inventory or storage. You are free to sell as many digital goods as you desire. By offering professional use kits, printable files, and other materials for sale, many creators increase their passive income from digital assets.
Monetize a blog.
Blogging is the source of yet another well-liked passive income stream. Numerous business owners have used blogging to generate passive income from things like affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, merchandise, and book deals. Building a great blog can in fact require a significant amount of work up front. However, developing an email list or generating organic and social traffic is one of the best long-term ways to grow an audience. The primary benefit of having a blog is that it can be used to generate multiple income streams from one asset. Selling photography online. Even though it might not seem like the most apparent place to start a passive income stream, selling photography online could nevertheless help you grow your efforts, especially if you can sell the same images often. You may collaborate with a company like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy to do that. After getting the platform's approval, you may start uploading your images and provide permission for anyone who downloads them to utilize them. When someone uses your photo on the platform, you get paid. In order to meet demand, you will need images that speak to a particular demographic or depict a particular scene. Photographs could be of models, scenery, imaginative scenes, and more, or they could record actual events that might be covered by the media. Selling online courses. Selling online courses might be an excellent passive income concept for you if you are an expert in a particular subject or industry. You'll find plenty of people who are prepared to pay to access your content, whether you sell it through your own website or online learning platforms. Naturally, selling on websites makes things simpler, but there may be times when your course is significantly discounted. How much passive money you generate will be impacted by this. As opposed to this, selling through your own website allows you control over pricing, so you are not forced to give up your profit margins just because competitors are offering lower prices. Publish sponsored posts. If you have Instagram followers, you might want to experiment with creating sponsored content. Instagram sponsored posts are articles that promote a certain service or product, usually owned by the sponsoring party. Publishers receive payment from sponsors for producing and sharing material that advertises their brand. Increasing your Instagram following is the key to landing sponsorships. Additionally, you should post content consistently so that sponsors know what to anticipate. Additionally, make sure to stick to a single market. Brands value content producers that can provide high-caliber material on a given subject. Make sure to include your email address in your Instagram bio. As your account expands, you can employ virtual assistants to produce sponsored posts on your behalf. The more requests for sponsored posts you receive, the more passive revenue you can produce. Owning a real estate. One of the oldest forms of passive income generation is real estate ownership. However, it's not as simple as just buying a house or piece of land. If you own a rental property, the need for repairs and upkeep can quickly consume a lot of your time and money. If you don't hire a property manager, your revenue will be further reduced. Furthermore, investing hundreds of thousands of dollars up front may be required to purchase real estate. Consider other avenues for real estate investing, such as real estate investment trusts, REITs, or real estate crowdfunding websites like Fundrise or Realtor if you'd prefer to avoid the expense and hassle. Just be sure that investing with a crowdfunding project doesn't need you to be an accredited investor. Investing in stock market. The stock market is a wonderful method to create enduring wealth, despite the high learning curve and potential for confusion. Thinking in the short term rather than taking a long view to achieve financial objectives is a frequent error that most people make while investing money. The purpose of stock investment is to diversify your portfolio and lower risk. This can be accomplished by purchasing mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and shares with high dividend yields that produce income over the long term. You must open and fund a brokerage account at a reputable financial institution before you can begin investing in the stock market. Print-on-demand store. Print-on-demand can be a lucrative passive revenue stream and a way to monetize your creative if you're an artist, designer, or business person. It entails collaborating with suppliers to personalize white-label goods like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books and selling them according on the number of orders. You simply have to pay for the product after you sell it, much like dropshipping. There is no requirement for inventory or bulk purchases. Because of these reasons, print-on-demand businesses make good passive income sources. You can build products rapidly and start selling them in a matter of minutes. Your supplier manages fulfillment and shipping. Many marketing and sales procedures can be automated once your store is set up. Selling homemade products. Online sales have never been more profitable. With over 4.6 billion people using the internet, there is a tremendous chance to launch and grow an online business. You can sell on hundreds of online stores. Some, like video games or handcrafted goods, have defined specialties, whilst others let you sell anything you choose. Popular online platforms include Amazon, eBay, AliExpress. Create an app. Making the first-time investment to create an app may allow you to later reap the benefits. Your app might be a game or a tool that makes it easier for mobile users to carry out a challenging task. As soon as your software is available to the public, consumers download it and you can start making money. If you can create an app that your audience finds appealing, there are many benefits. You must think about the best way to make your app profitable. For instance, you might display in-app advertisements or charge a small fee to customers to download the app. To maintain the app's appeal and relevancy when it grows in popularity or as a result of user input, you'll probably need to add little features. Renting out a parking area. Are there any parking spots available that you aren't using or that someone else could use? That place might be worth some money to you. It might be an even better setup if you have a bigger space that can accommodate several automobiles or that can be used for a variety of events or venues. Your parking space could be worth a lot of money in exceptionally high-demand locations or during high-demand times, such as during a concert or sporting event. For instance, if you reside close to a location with a high parking demand but few parking spaces, you may be sitting on a gold mine. Instead of renting to one-time events, you might have the best chance of making money by renting to someone who needs the space on a regular basis. Start YouTube channel. Consider starting your own YouTube channel if making videos is something you enjoy doing more than writing. Through YouTube advertising, you can generate passive income after you have a sufficient number of views.